Next up, the mud-covered cache on the new Ashika map. For this, you'll need the key, but it's a little bit of a challenging one to get to. Zooming into roughly the center of the map, the Suki Castle, you'll see a moat that surrounds it. On the far northeast corner, near the top center of G5, you'll find a bridge. Under this bridge is where we'll need to head. Obviously, there are more than a handful of enemy AI here, so you'll need to be more than prepared if you choose to come here. Obviously, it's not impossible to do solo, it's just a bit difficult. And on top of this, you really don't want to go towards the center of the Suki Castle by the Suki Castle hideout, as well, that's where you'll get absolutely demolished by Wilson and AI. And on top of this, there's an HVT bugging around this area, which is fun, but of course, raises the difficulty of everything. So activating this UAV tower, you'll see just how populated this area can be. There we go. So we're heading right underneath this bridge here. I'll dive into the water and swim across here. Now, just under this bridge, you can already see this box. This is the mud-covered cache. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!